morning, Junior 4. I'm Miss Fatma Abdul Rauf Hamadnallah, and I will teach you science this year. Hope to enjoy studying science with me. In the last video, we talked about the respiratory system. Now we will continue our discussion about the respiratory system to understand how the respiration process takes place. The respiration process includes two processes, inhalation and exhalation. Okay, what happens in the inhalation process and exhalation process? First, let's talk about the inhalation process, which means breathing in. The diaphragm muscle contracts, or shrinks, and moves downward, so the size of the chest increases or enlarges, and oxygen gas will enter the lungs. Second, the exhalation process, or breathing out. The diaphragm muscle relaxes or expands and moves upward, so the size of the chest decreases or becomes narrow, and carbon dioxide gas gets out. So how does the respiratory system get oxygen to the body cells? Oxygen enters the lungs during inhalation, then the blood carries oxygen to all the body cells. Here is an important question, which said, give a reason for we can't hold our breath for a very long time because we can't inhale oxygen and expel out carbon dioxide. So the body can't perform its vital processes. Now, we want to know how to keep the respiratory system healthy. 1. Breathe clean air. 2. Eat fruits rich in vitamin C, such as oranges and guavas. 3. Avoid smoke and smoking areas. Okay? You have to know that all living organisms can breathe, but in different ways. Let's take some examples. 1. Fish. How do fish breathe? Fish have gills to breathe that are considered a unique structure adaptation that allow fish to live and breathe underwater. Gills are found on both sides of fish's head. Okay, how do fish breathe underwater? First, water enters the mouth of fish and passes across the gills. Then blood vessels inside the gills carry oxygen gas to the rest of the body and release carbon dioxide gas. So, fish need clean water to survive, as we need to breathe a clean air to stay healthy. Okay? There are other living organisms that breathe oxygen in different ways, which are amphibians. What are amphibians? They are small animals that live on land and in water, such as frogs, toads, and salamanders. Okay. Through researches, scientists can learn how different organisms adapt to their environment to help endangered species to survive, such as amphibians. 90 species of amphibians have become extinct in the last 20 years, in addition to 124 other endangered species. Amphibians also can live in moist or wet environments like rainforests, water streams, and ponds. Like humans, adult amphibians can breathe, or respire, with lungs when they are on land. However, amphibians can also take in oxygen from water through their skin, like the golden frog. Now, I want to ask you, how do amphibians breathe? We know that amphibians can live on land or underwater. They breathe through their lungs on land or inhaling oxygen gas from the air. Amphibians also breathe through their skin because their bodies are covered with skin that allows water and gases to pass through. This enables amphibians to absorb or extract oxygen directly from the water. Give a reason question. Why can amphibians absorb oxygen directly from water? Because their skin is permeable. Amphibians need clean water and air to stay healthy. Why? Or give a reason. Because they are very sensitive for water pollution, air pollution, and viruses that can travel through water. So, people can help in protection of amphibians from extinction. Okay, how? How do people can help in protection of amphibians from extinction? Avoid throwing waste materials in water. Dispose of chemicals in correct way that helps to avoid water pollution. K. That is all about That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.